Canon's Cinema EOS line has long been the go-to choice for filmmakers who need professional reliability and cutting-edge tools. But the landscape changed when Sony introduced the FX3, a compact cinema camera that quickly won the hearts of indie filmmakers, YouTubers, and solo shooters everywhere. Canon clearly wasn't content to let Sony dominate this space. Now, with a major launch set for September 9th, 2025, the spotlight turns to what many believe will be the Canon EOS C50, a camera designed to replace the EOS R5 C and take the fight directly to the FX3. Canon's teaser doesn't give away everything, but it drops some unmistakable hints. A glowing tally lamp, the iconic red record button, and a boxy frame filled with mounting options. This is unmistakably a Cinema EOS machine. But here's the twist. It's noticeably smaller than traditional C-series bodies. That signals a shift in Canon's approach, packing professional cinema features into a lightweight body. For creators who need power on the go, this could be the perfect blend of portability and performance. The buzz around the C50 is growing, and the rumored specs paint a very exciting picture. At its heart is said to be a 32-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor with open-gate recording, giving filmmakers the full sensor area for maximum flexibility. Early reports also suggest 6K RAW at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and even full HD at 240 frames per second for dramatic slow-motion capture. Add in triple base ISO and 15+ stops of dynamic range, and this camera already sounds like a powerhouse. Canon's autofocus legacy continues with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, offering reliable eye and subject tracking. On top of that, features like in-body stabilization, up to 8 stops and built-in ND filters, often reserved for larger cinema rigs, seem ready to make an appearance. With dual SD card slots and support for C-Log2 and C-Log3, post-production flexibility is practically guaranteed. All signs point to Canon not just matching Sony's FX3, but aiming to surpass it. The design philosophy of the C50 will feel different from Canon's past hybrids. This isn't an R5 with extra video settings, it's a camera made specifically for filmmakers. The fully articulating screen is a gift for vloggers and solo shooters, while multiple mounting points make it production-ready straight out of the box. At just under 700 grams, it's light enough for travel, handheld shooting, or gimbal use, but rugged enough to handle serious filmmaking environments. The EOS R5 C often felt like a compromise, half photo, half video. The EOS C50, however, looks like Canon's real answer. A no-compromise cinema camera that keeps the RF lens mount alive while catering directly to indie creators and filmmakers. With a projected price between $3,499 and $3,999, it's clearly designed to face off against Sony's FX3, but with Canon's signature Cinema EOS flavor that could make it stand apart. If Canon delivers on these promises, the Canon C50 might not just replace the R5 C. It could fill the gap indie creators have been waiting for all along. Subscribe for more updates like this, and as always, thanks for watching.